Hello, in front of me I've got JBL headphones 720. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your headphones. In the beginning, you can do it by simply going to JBL Headphones app, Support, and Reset to Factory Settings. Then Confirm. But also, you can do it by simply pressing and holding plus and minus button simultaneously for 5 seconds. Release the buttons, and now your headphones will automatically enter pairing mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.